Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to presentation about software and hardware explained. First of all, my name is Anaf Ali Abdul Asmi Tiaul Haq. I'm from TI1A International Class. Okay, today we are to presentation software and hardware explained. This maybe basic material on the class because the software and hardware is a basic computer component. Okay, next. What is software and hardware? Hardware is a physical component can be touched and seen by myself and yourself. Okay, for example is CPU, monitor, mouse, hard disk, and so on. The main function is the tool to run instruction by software. Okay, next, what is the software game? A program instruction that control hardware operate is can only codes of for or application. For example, operating system, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and then application Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, and then so on. The main function is provide command so to hardware can be used effectively. Okay, next. Okay, the next material is types of software. System of software directly control and manage computer hardware, providing platform software to run. Okay, for example, operating system again is Linux, macOS, and Windows. And then language processor like compiler, interpreter like C++, Java, and Python is a language processor. And then device driver like printer driver or graphic driver. Okay. Types number two of software is application of software. Program designed to help user to reach specific tasks. For example, general purpose software like is general is Microsoft Word, Office, and maybe Canva. And then special purpose software like accounting system, hospital management, and flight booking system. Okay, next. Okay, the next material is types of hardware. Number one, input device. Definition of input device is hardware used to enter data and command into the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, and scanner. Okay, the function is allow user to communicate with the computer system. Okay, types of hardware number two is processing device. It is the brain of the computer to interpret and execute instruction from software. Okay, for example, central processing CPU atau CPU, GPU, and motherboard. The function is calculate logic, operating system, and manage data flow and the process from software to run to the hardware. Okay, types hardware number three is output device. Hardware that present processes data to the user, like for example, like the monitor, printer, and speaker and projector. Okay, the function is convert digital information into the human. This information are the output of the software. Okay, the last types of hardware. This is a storage device. This hardware that stores data and save your data uh, in the hardware. For example, hard disk SSD or CD or DVD, and external drivers. The function is retouch operating system, application, and user data for future use. Yeah. Then storage device is save your information or your data in your computer. Okay, the last this is a conclusion. Hardware is the physical part of the computer where software provides the instruction, and then the hardware cannot be run without software, and so on. The software cannot run without hardware. Okay, this is all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.